Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not responding. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat not responding, or how to fix the problem of not responding on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of Snapchat in this list. After that we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait 3 seconds to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.